Morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Okay, so today we are going to start lecture number 40 and this is your subject EVS chapter 10, how is iron made. Okay, so this is your last topic of this chapter, how is iron made. So today we are going to learn about the famous steel plant, famous steel factory in our state. So which is the famous factory? Yes, Bhilai steel plant. Bhilai steel plant is a very famous steel factory. So this factory is in Bhilai district of Durg in Chhattisgarh. Understood? Yes, and you know the machine is required to join the iron mesh. Have you seen any person is joining the iron gate? So which machine he used? You know, that is welding machine. That is welding machine. And what is that spelling is? WELDING. Welding machine. MACHINE machine. So welding machine is used to join iron mesh. Understood? On an iron gate. So welding machine is used to join iron mesh on an iron gate. Understood? Hey, did you know more and more trees are planted near factories? Why should people say more and more trees should be planted near factories and industry? So, why? To control the pollution caused by the smoke. In big factories and industry, there comes out more and more smokes and gases. And these smokes and gases are very harmful. So coming out from this factory and industry, so they are planted. So understood why more and more trees are planted. Next thing is sponge iron. You know what is sponge iron? That iron is used in railway tracks, in benches, and so many things are made up of iron. That is called sponge iron. So how this sponge iron is made? I will tell you. First and foremost, lumps of iron are broken. Lumps of means in so much amount. Irons are broken into small pieces, small pieces. Okay. Now it is melted in a revolving coal furnace. Then they get this all small pieces of iron, and that iron pieces they are putting in coal furnace with high temperature. Then the minerals is heated in the furnace. Its impurities get burned. In that rock of irons, there are many impurities are there. Okay, so with the help of high temperature of that hot iron, they all impurities are got burned and escape from the chimney along with the smoke, and pure molten iron is obtained. Pure iron is obtained. This iron is very soft and this is called a pure iron. Understood? And this iron is very soft, hence that's why we called this is a sponge iron. Or factories, or you know, in our surrounding so many factories are there. So I have tell you Bhilai steel plant, and another is Century steel plant, Century cement factory, Century cement factory. Have you seen in Bhilai? This all plants are there. Jamul cement factory in Durg, Mandhar cement factory. Have you seen Mandhar cement factory? Yes. So now your homework is, I will give you one project. Okay, sorry, two project. In this chapter I will give you two projects. First one is you have to draw the things made by a blacksmith. You have seen a blacksmith. लोहार को देखा है आपने? Yes. So what are they made? जो वो बनाते हैं लोहार. Okay. They made so many things made up of iron. So you have to draw that things with their name. You have to draw or paste. If you collect that pictures, so you can paste also, and if you want to draw, you have to draw it. Okay. Then one more thing is draw a map of Chhattisgarh. Okay. You have to draw a map of Chhattisgarh, where is iron ore and that factory. I will give you that picture in PDF and you have to make as it is. Understood? Have a nice day and be happy, be